Hello Pisces, how you guys doing, my loves? This is Monica from Intuitive Soul 78, and I wanted to say thank you first of all to everybody who's here with the channel. Thanks for the support, the donations, the comments, for the likes, the shares, the subscribes. It means so very much to me. I'm so thankful. This is still a brand new channel, so if you used to do me a favor and share it with your friends, your family members, that'll be awesome. Alright, my loves, let's go ahead and start by checking out the 12 zodiac signs, how they're feeling, and then we'll jump into your reading, okay? Alright, let's give this one last shuffle. Just curious here. Alright. Alright, my loves, those of you dealing with an Aries, we have the 9 of Wands. So your person is very protective of the relationship, I feel. Those of you dealing with the Taurus, Taurus is trying to figure out if they're willing to invest any more in this relationship. Those of you dealing with a Gemini, Gemini wants to be their freedom. They want to be single. This is dealing with the Cancer. Cancer has no expectations. They don't expect anything to move forward. This is dealing with a Leo. Leo wants a brand new start. They want a fresh start. They want happiness. This is dealing with a Virgo with the 7 of Cups in reverse. Virgo don't know what they want. They don't know what they want. Those of you dealing with a Libra, and this person is being unfaithful. Those with a Scorpio. A Scorpio wants to separate. They feel like this is not stable. Those with the Saggy, 5 of Swords in the reverse. They're walking away from this because they feel like it's there's too much drama, too much chaos, too much conflict. Those of you guys dealing with a Capricorn. Cappy wants the whole 9 yards. They want everything with you. They want the 10 of Pentacles with you. That's long-term permanent stability. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Those who are dealing with an Aquarius, we have the 7 of Swords in the reverse. They're going to get caught doing something shady. Those of you Pisces dealing with another Pisces, we have the 10 of Cups in reverse. Oh, your person may be feeling unfulfilled right now, and like this relationship is over or it's ending. Alright, my loves, that's what I got for the zodiacs. Let's go ahead and jump right into your reading with some situations from the tea leaf cards. Alright, some situations, please, Spirit. What's the situation look like for September 2021 for my Pisces and their person in love? What's going on with Pisces? Alright, we got months of the year. Months of the year. And we got September. Some of you could be dealing with a September Virgo or Libra. You may be meeting somebody this month in September. Somebody brand new. Let me see if I can pick this card up. There we go. Alright. What's the situation for September, please, Holy Spirit? For my Pisces in love. Boop. We got Owl. It says, good advice from a wise person. And what else? What else? For some of you guys are getting advice from a Virgo or a Libra. And we got ear, good news. Very nice. So expect to get some good news and advice from a wise person in the month of September. It could be, like I said, from a Virgo or a Libra person that you're dealing with. Okay, let's go ahead and get right into it. Jump into the lessons. So the lessons for the person that my Pisces is dealing with in the month of September, please. What is their lesson for the relationship? What's their current lesson, please, Spirit? You guys, anybody wanting to get a free reading this month, I'm going to be doing a drawing, and I'm going to be pulling several people for free readings. Go ahead and just comment free reading in the comment section, my loves. They got the card surrender. I can release my need to control. So Spirit is asking them to release control of the situation and just let it be divinely guided. Those for Pisces, please, Holy Spirit. So your person needs to surrender Surrender control and just let things unfold. Let things and people just be themselves. You just got the card Friendship, Pisces. It says, I understand that a friend is in my life for a reason. Some of you have a very special Virgo or Libra friend. Alright. Let's go ahead and pull the feelings now. See how your person is truly feeling about the relationship. How is Pisces person truly feeling about the relationship? Okay, so ouch. We got Hand of Cards. Taking a chance, risk, being strategic, options, not showing hand, and gambling. So your person may be keeping their options open, being very strategic or secretive, taking risks, taking a chance. This person feels like they're gambling. They may not even be showing you how they feel. They feel like they're gambling in the relationship. And for Pisces, please, Spirit, how do they feel about the relationship? How does Pisces feel, please, truly about the relationship? Oh man, way too many flew out. I was at least 4 or 5. Let me see here. Oop, there it is. Pisces. I'm just going to take the top one. Well, I guess I'll take both of them. We got not enough and not today. Alright. So for you Pisces, you got frustrated in the relationship, lack of confidence, self-sabotage, fear, ego issues, jealousy, and then not today, not dealing, hurt, avoiding a conversation, a phone call, or a person, boundaries, and still angry. So, wow. So these are some challenging cards to get. I feel like some of you guys are in a relationship, but some of you guys are clearly not in a relationship, but dealing with somebody. That it's a very complicated situation, and I'm gonna say it already off the bat. I'm already smelling. This smells like third party already here, especially with the Hand of Cards and somebody taking a risk, and then somebody feels like this is not enough for them. Okay, and they're frustrated in the relationship. Some of them, it could be you Pisces that has an external friendship with somebody who may be taken or you're taken, and dealing with somebody over here on the side. Let me see what the cards show for September, or vice versa. Could also be your person. Remember, this reading is general, you guys. Don't make no big major decisions. Don't get yourself all riled up. This will be your situation all the way, or it won't. If it doesn't resonate, check your other placements. Check your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter. If you don't know your placements and what they are, you can go to astrologycafe.com. I'm not associated with them, but you can download your free natal chart there and find your placements, so that you get the whole picture of your relationship, okay? Or you can find a reading there from any YouTuber that resonates. And also, if it doesn't, if it isn't your story, it just isn't your story. For clarity, you guys always want to order a personal reading with somebody, okay? Oh, here we go. Somebody's coming back into your life. Could be a water sign with the 8 of Pentacles in the reverse. Somebody wants to come back, or somebody's returning. Somebody who walked away in the past. We got the 7 of Wands in the upright. I feel like this person wants to fight for this relationship, or you do. They're trying to defend the relationship, or defend their rights back in. With the Ace of Wands in reverse, this was a missed opportunity. You guys are definitely going to be communicating, because that's 8 wands altogether so far. So the number 8 might mean something to you. Because we got 88. Ooh. And here's 7 of Pentacles. You're going to be trying to decide whether or not to take this person back. Right now you're undecided. You're on the fence about it. Yeah, you might just decide just to move on with your life, move forward. With the 6 of Swords coming out there. Alright. Yeah, because there was too much conflict, chaos. Somebody walked out. You're avoiding this whole situation. You don't want to deal with no kind of conflict, drama, no kind of third parties, no kind of shit like that, no more. We have you guys could be dealing with a Virgo. We have the 8 of Pentacles coming out here. I feel like you're just going to be minding your own business, focusing on work, getting really centered and concentrated, working on your finances. 3, 6, 7 cards at the bottom of the deck. Yep, here it is. And there it is, folks, the Seven of Swords. So somebody's lying, cheating, scheming, doing something foul, doing something dirty. They're trying to get away with something. They're trying to be slick. This person could have stole money from you, could have stole your heart, could have done both. What else do we have here? We have another 8, the 8 of Swords. Somebody is dealing with a Gemini with the 8 of Swords in the reverse. This person, with this Death card and this card being right here, somebody could have even got arrested here in the past for stealing. You could be dealing with a straight up thief or a con artist here. Okay? 8 of Swords in the reverse. Somebody could be getting out of jail soon that you're dealing with. Somebody who was shady, lying in the past. This person could definitely be a cheater. But they were stuck. They're trying to come out of a place of feeling stuck or being stuck, or literally, this is about being mentally imprisoned or self-imprisonment, right? Or it could be literal imprisonment. And here's the Ace of Cups here. They want this brand new beginning. But look what you're dealing with. Bottom of the deck, again, King of Cups in reverse. Somebody needs to be dealing with a Scorpio. This is a foul energy, the King of Cups in the reverse. This is somebody who's cold, standoffish, doesn't show their emotions, doesn't share, they're unfaithful. They're usually not, that type of energy is not a good parent either. They're just trying to come back out of the cold. For some of you guys here is dealing with somebody definitely who was in prison. They just don't want to be homeless whenever they get out of jail. And that's their whole play right there, Pisces. I'm so sorry to be so blunt, but that's what I'm getting. Okay? Yeah. They've hurt you already in the past. You don't know why, but it's a wrap right here. The next card is the World card coming out. It's a wrap. This is over. I think you're not going to take it. You don't want to deal with it. Let me clarify real quick. Some just playing mind games, manipulating, all that kind of bullshit. And you're just like, nah, I'm done. I'm done. This is going to be your person, Pisces, because it's on their side, the Hand of Cards. Yeah. They're gambling, taking a risk. What else are they doing? Keeping their options open, not showing their hand. Yeah. The King of Cups in reverse doesn't show their hand, doesn't show their emotions, doesn't show what they're doing. They're not planning with you. They're not growing with you. They're not sharing with you. All that kind of shit. Yeah. And they even, there's no interest there no more. There's no spark there no more. There may not even be any kind of attraction anymore. You're not even attracted to this person anymore after all the shit they put you through. You just want to move on and move forward with your life. Show me the Seven of Swords and why it's here, please. This would be you or your person, okay, guys? Show me the Seven of Swords. We got the Two of Swords in the reverse. So we need to be dealing with an Aquarius as well, because the Seven of Swords is Aquarius. It's actually Deacon 3. Two of Swords in the reverse. Somebody's at a crossroads and don't know what to do. They don't want to make a decision. They don't want to make a choice. They don't have to make a choice. That's a lot of swords we got here. We got 6 and 5. That's 11, 12, 13, 20. We have 28 swords. 2 and 8 is 10, which is the 10 of Swords, which is the ultimate betrayal. It's a defeat. It's just, you're so defeated, you're done. You're done. You're not going to take this shit no more. But it also turns into an Ace. An Ace of Swords is a victory because you're moving on, you're moving forward. You get a brand new opportunity for a new start. Show me more about the Seven of Swords. Yeah, you're letting go. This is you, Pisces. This is all you right here, baby. The Hangman in reverse. You got a new perspective. You're going to find out some shit. And you're just going to let go and move on with your life. That's why you're avoiding this person, not talking to them, because you're going to be finding that out. And you know that this is not, it's not enough. Whatever this person's been doing, it's not enough. That's why you're frustrated in your relationship. You might lack confidence because of the bullshit they pulled on you. Somebody did some self-sabotage ass freaking move. This could be this person, this 5 of Swords person, whoever it is, this 7 of Swords person. Let me get some advice for you guys from the romance angels, my loves. This is the reading that I got for you. Don't forget to hit the like, share, subscribe, and check out your other placements too if this doesn't resonate with you. So yeah, in September, you're going to be finding out good news, probably from a good friend. Good advice from a wise person. A wise person, yeah. Somebody might just be coming to you and telling you, giving you the truth, and you're actually thankful for it afterwards because it'll help you grow and move on. We got calling in your soulmate. Yes. Your prayers, affirmations, and visualizations help bring you together. I feel like that's going to be for you finding somebody who is legitimately, on your same level, that vibes with you, the same energy, calling in something new once you close this chapter. What else? Forgiving and learning. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moments. Yeah, you can't move on and be open up to new love if you're hung up on the past or you're still hurt over it. We always have to make room for something new to come in. What else, please, Spirit? Whoa. That's way too many. I'm not going to take any of those. Let me see. What else is there, please, Spirit? We have like 4 come out. There we go. Finances and career. Financial issues are a factor in your love life right now. For some of you guys that are dealing with somebody who's incarcerated, it could possibly be that the person's interest was in money. Let me get another one. Could be why old warriors are just staring at all those pentacles, the 7 of pentacles. Chemistry. There's a strong magnetic attraction here. You might be attracted to them very much, or have really good sexual chemistry in common, but that won't bring you happiness. Separation, there you go. You got separation. Time apart from your partner is on the horizon. You guys are going to be in separation soon. Pisces, pay attention to the red flags. The signs are cautioning you. Retreat. It's time to disconnect from the world. You got new love. A new person has stirred your romantic feelings, so you're meeting somebody new, or going to be meeting somebody new after all this mess is cleared up. And then you'll be able to give your relationship a chance. Work on your partnership. I feel like this is going to happen after you get rid of this energy, release this energy of whatever this person did to you. I love you guys so much. Remember, it could be vice versa. It could be your person who did this. It could be you as well. You'll know better than I do because this is a general reading. But it's kind of a take it or leave it. It's not, oh, here and there and this little piece and that little piece might be true. If it's yours, it's yours, my loves. If it's not, go check your other placements and look for your the reading that's for you there. You guys are always welcome to book a reading with me. My readings are $30. Love reading, they take about 30 to 45 minutes. And so just hit me up down. All the information will be listed in the description box. I love you guys very much. Pisces, be blessed and bless others.